Welcome to Inside the Core, a podcast series where we explore the journeys, insights, and values of the people that drive LCI forward. I'm your host, Isha, and today we're joined by Colonel Tariq Ali, Head of Corporate Security and Admin, a leader whose story is truly one of purpose and connection. Known for his genuine bonds across the organization and his endless support for his team, Colonel Tariq lives by a simple yet powerful belief: true strength lies in standing by one another. Today, we'll deep dive into his journey and the values that continue to guide him. Welcome to the podcast, Colonel Tariq. How are you?
Thank you very much. I'm fine.
So, Colonel Tariq, the audiences would like to know more about your personal life. So, let's dive into it first. Tell us a little about your early years, where you grew up, and what kind of family and environment have shaped your values.
Actually, starting from the childhood, my journey started from a military life because my father was also from the military. So it was a very structured and a disciplined life. And thereafter, I joined Cadet College, Betaro. So there again, you learn to grow and you learn to survive in a very early age independently. So that was the journey from where I started, and thereafter joined the military, having all disciplined life throughout my career and later to the LCA.
So, you've been used to that from your early days.
Yeah.
That's great. So, a little more about your personal life. Colonel Tariq, were there moments in your youth that have defined how you see people and relationships today?
I think probably these are the passion for the people. Actually, that is a main value which you grew from military also, because there you learn to live as a complete family, because it's not like your blood relatives, but you have a code of conduct or your values which are embedded with the families. So from there you learn the culture of the passion for people, and that grew into the further life.
So let's dive into your professional journey now. You're known for being principled yet deeply empathetic. How do you balance firmness with warmth in your leadership?
These are two, actually, I'm wearing two different hats at the moment. One is the head of security, where you need firmness and you need a polite stance, but you got to follow the principles very rigidly.
Yeah.
And second is the administrative role, where you got to take care of the needs of the people. You got to provide the environment, the work environment, which is very conducive for the employees. And they should be able to reach out to you for any of the requirement, because you can't find everything written in the policies or procedures. But when you are caring for the people, and if they are reaching out to you for seeking any help in the administration, you should be all out there to help them.
Yeah, definitely. So, Colonel Tariq, you often describe security and admin not just as service providers, but as enablers of culture. How do you keep that human connection alive in such operational roles?
I think one word: passion for people. When you have passion for people, these all things, they are embedded in it.
Yeah, so that drives you forward. Okay, so you've built strong relationships across the company and people find it very easy to talk to you. What is your secret for keeping that culture alive and for making people feel that relaxed and supported?
एक्चुअली आप अगर उसको कहते हैं ना, किसी के रंग में रंगे जाना, सो व्हेन यू आर कॉर्पोरेट के अंदर आके यहाँ पे एलसीआई की वैल्यूज के अंदर रंगे जाते हैं, तो दीज थिंग्स आर ऑटोमेटिकली कम इनटू प्ले. सो जब आप उन वैल्यूज के अंदर रंगेंगे, तो उसके बाद फ्रेंडशिप्स का होना, एंड देन लाइक पीपल रीचिंग आउट टू यू, दैट बिकम्स ऑटोमेटिकली वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड ईजियर फॉर यू.
Yes, that, and also because it's part of your personality. So, Colonel Tariq, as you're a deeply people-focused person, how do you mentor or support your team during challenging times?
I think you got to stand with your team whenever there are challenging times. You got to be with them whenever they need you. You got to support them. You got to give them freedom of action. You got to give them certain empowerment and independence so that they can perform independently whenever they need to. That's how they grow in their current roles.
Yeah, definitely. And I think when you stand by your team, that makes them more motivated to do, to excel in their current roles and to be empowered. So, Colonel Tariq, how has LCS culture enabled you to bring your authentic self, both as a disciplined officer and a compassionate leader to work every day?
I think there's the company's values, actually, and thereafter the culture of the company that enables the individuals to do their routine work. And same is for me, also in evolving the company's values and adopting to the culture of the company that enabled me to be in this position.
So now the most fun and my favorite round as well, the rapid fire. I will ask you some questions and you have to give instant answers. So we'll start. A friend or colleague at LCI who always lifts your mood.
I think Anisur Rahman from IT department.
Yeah, I agree with that. Army life or corporate life, which one taught you more about people?
Difficult question, but both. I think both. Yeah.
I think you meet different set of people at both ends. So your favorite subject to photograph?
Nature.
Nature, mine too. Okay. Morning discipline or late night creativity?
Although different from the my initial thoughts, but late night.
Creativity. I would have thought otherwise as well. So tea or coffee?
Tea.
Okay, so one word your team would use to describe you?
Dedicated.
I agree. A leadership mantra you live by?
Comradeship.
If you could invite 3 people and from your past life or present to a dinner, who would they be? Mujhe chhod ke.
I think very difficult question. Again, I would love to take the complete company to the dinner. But yes, as far as the question is concerned, I think 3 people, then my team.
I think they'd be really happy to hear that. What does a perfect weekend look like for you?
I think chilling, relaxing, and just painting colors onto the canvas.
That sounds like a very relaxing weekend. Your proudest personal professional moment at LCI so far?
I think the day I joined LCI.
That's sweet. And I think that was a very fun rapid round.
Thank you.
So our audiences would like to know more about your hobbies if you'd like to mention some.
Apart from playing basketball right from an initial stages of my life, and that was I had been playing in the cadet college also, and thereafter into the academy also. So beside that, the hobbies included paintings and the photography. You know, the earlier cameras, they were then used to be developed, and the picture used to be developed. So waiting for that and having the pictures. So that is again my hobby, doing the photography and the paintings.
Yeah, that's really good to know because I myself am very into photography. What do you like to photograph more?
Actually, that is the nature part of it.
Yeah.
When it's, sunset, sunrise, the historical buildings, maybe the hill stations, hilly areas. So these are the things which inspired me for the photography.
And you must have had the opportunity to do that as well because of your history, professional journey.
Yeah.
Now to wrap up the podcast, I'll ask you just one more question. What advice would you give to the future leaders at LCI about building lasting human connections while staying grounded in principles?
I think, first of all, the values of the company, they should adopt to the values of the company's culture. And then they should interact almost daily with the colleagues, with their friends, with their, sideline managers, their line managers. And when they are connected well to the people, they can have the lasting relations thereafter.
That was a really inspiring answer, Colonel Tariq. And I've seen you doing that, so you definitely lead by example.
Thank you.
Thank you, Colonel Tariq. It was incredible having you on the podcast. To our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Our journey continues one conversation at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected.